Part 6 is nerves of the skull. The first nerve is cranial nerve number 1, the olfactory nerve, and it is number 177 right here. Cranial nerve number 2 is number 178. Cranial nerve number 3 is the oculomotor nerve. Cranial nerve 4 is the trochlear nerve. Trigeminal nerve is divided into divisions. 181 right here is the trigeminal ganglion. Division 1 of the trigeminal nerve is the ophthalmic division, and you can see that it exits out the superior orbital fissure right here. Cranial nerve 5, number 183, is the frontal nerve, which includes the supraorbital nerve, number 184, and the supratrochlear nerve, which is 185. 186 is the lacrimal nerve, and 187 is the nasociliary nerve. The second division of the trigeminal nerve is the maxillary division. This division exits the foramen rotundum and provides sensory innervation. It includes the pterygopalatine ganglion right here, the zygomatic nerve, the infraorbital nerve, and the ASA nerve, which divides into branches supplying the incisors and canines. And the MSA nerve supplies the sinus mucosa, the maxillary premolars, and the mesial buccal root of the maxillary first molar. And then the PSA nerve innervates the maxillary molars. And the greater palatine nerve is right here, and it supplies the hard palate. And then the lesser palatine nerve supplies the soft palate. The nasopalatine nerve supplies the nasal septum and the lingual tissue of the incisors. The third division of the trigeminal nerve is the mandibular division. Number 198 is the maxillary nerve, which is part of the mandibular division. Number 199 are the meningeal nerve branches. 200 are the muscular branches. And 201 is the otic ganglion. On the mandible right here is the long buccal nerve. And over here, 203 is the masseteric nerve. And 204 is the auricular temporal nerve. 205 is the lingual nerve. 206 is the submandibular ganglion. 207 is the IA nerve, which innervates mandibular teeth. And this over here is the mylohyoid nerve. This is the mental nerve. And 210 over here is the incisive nerve. Now that we're done with the trigeminal nerve, we'll move on to the abducens nerve, 211. The facial nerve right here has many branches, which we'll talk about. The greater petrosal nerve, the chorda tympani nerve, which innervates the anterior 2/3 of the tongue, the posterior auricle nerve, the stylomastoid nerve, and the digastric nerve. And 218 is the Vidian nerve. And then 219 are nerves to the muscles of facial expression. Number 120 is cranial nerve number 8, the vestibular cochlear nerve. Cranial nerve number 9 is the glossopharyngeal nerve, and then the vagus nerve is number 10, and cranial nerve number 11 is the accessory nerve. And the last one labeled here is the hypoglossal nerve.